then you have to reinstall the back cover, which is not so easy nor so difficult as it sounds. On the top here is a little piece that you will have to remove. Can you see that? Yeah, right there. That's what connects all of these buttons on the back to the circuit board. This is not easy to do on camera, so I'll just cut to it real quick. Well, I'll try and do it on camera. Basically, like this, hook the back end under, gently lay it into place. When I say gently, I mean gently. Pull on this little tab and press down, did I mention gently? Until things are pretty much seated all around. At this point in time, the back cover being on, we will insert some batteries and give this a little test to make sure that it works well enough to bother reassembling it. And let's see, the batteries are in place. Let's press the power button. And let's see, yep, we get a flashlight. And yep, there's an image, so that's fixed enough to put it back together. But first let's turn it off and retract the lens. It's worth pointing out that before you put it back together, you need to take the cover back off and reattach 2 screws to the LCD. So let's do that. And here's the cover removed once again. Here's the LCD. The screws that come off of this come in 2 distinct sizes, and you want to use, well, actually, maybe 3 distinct sizes. The smallest should be used to attach the LCD frame, I guess you'd call it, back to the signal board. And this is a lot easier if you have the right size little screwdriver, because then it will stick to the tip and you can simply jam it into place, more or less, gently turn. Oh, look at that, it goes right in place. Can you imagine how much easier this would be if I was a tiny Asian woman with delicate little hands? Boy, I bet that would go much faster, don't you think? Now here, take another one of these teeny tiny little fellows. God, that's small. I can barely see it. Get this guy more or less into place. Well, let's try another one of the not incredibly teeny tiny ones. The merely minuscule. Perhaps this can be made to work. Whoops. See, I don't want to lose those.